Hello, my name is Haja Kirana. My matrix number is BG2311037. So today in this video, I will present my findings about the visualizations of donut chart and the geography map. The donut chart provides a clear and engaging way to visualize the sales distributions across different product categories. Here are the key insights and significance of the visualizations. First, the total sales overview. The center figure highlights the total sales amount, providing an immediate understanding of the overall sales performance. Second, category breakdown. The chart segments are color-coded and labeled, showing the sales contribution of each category, such as technology, the largest segment in yellow, furniture, the second largest in purple, and office supplies, the smallest segment in green. Third, the proportional representations. The size of each segment visually represent the proportion of total sales contributed by each category, making it easy to compare them at a glance. Fourth, engagement through designs. The donut shape and vibrant colors are visually appealing, drawing the audience attention and making the data more memorable. 5. Quick insights. The chart allows for quick comprehension of the data without needing to read detailed tables or reports, making it suitable for presentations and dashboard. Overall, by visualizing sales data in this way, the audience can easily understand which product categories are performing better and how they contribute to the total sales, facilitating informed decision making and strategic planning. The second one is geography map. Geography map chart provides a visual representations of profit distributions across different states, allowing the audience to quickly grasp regional performance variations. Here are the significance and insights derived from the visualizations. First, regional profit distributions. The map shows profit values for each state, making it easy to identify which states are performing well and which are underperforming. For example, high profit states like California, Washington, and New York are marked with higher profits. Meanwhile, for the low or negative profits, states like Texas, Ohio, and Arizona show lower or negative profits. Second, color code profit ratios. The use of a color scale helps to differentiate between profit levels. For the blue shades represent positive profits, with darker blue indicating higher profits. Meanwhile, orange shades represent lower or negative profits, with darker orange indicating larger losses. The third is quick comparisons. The map allows for an immediate visual comparison between different states, making it easy to spot trends or anomalies. 4. Strategic insights. These visualizations can inform strategic decisions such as identifying regions needing more attention, investment, or change in strategy. The last one is engagement through visualizations. The map format is engaging and intuitive, helping the audience to quickly understand complex data without extensive analysis. Overall, the geographical profit map effectively communicates regional performance, facilitating a clear understanding of where profits are concentrated and where improvements are needed, thus supporting data-driven decision making. Okay, that's all from my part, which is the donut chart and the geographic map. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Nur Afika Hanani binti Rahman. My number matrix is BG231100254 from International Finance HE19. Other than that is segment analysis because based on the scatter plot, it shows several categories like consumer, corporate, and home office, and also regions like central, east, south, and west using different colors and forms. So this spreadsheet enables the examination of performance across segments and regions. Like based on the scatter plot, it helps us to compare how different segments perform in terms of sales and profits. For example, one might notice that a specific segment, like say corporate, has larger sales and profit margins than a. Not only that, but it helps us to identifying outliers. Like scatter plots helps in detecting outliers, which are data points that differ significantly from other observations. Like certain points from the plot, such as those indicating copiers and machines with extraordinary high sales and profits, are immediately identified. So, analysis of the outliers, we can recognizing outliers can lead to more inquiry to determine why these points is different. Like this could be due to various reasons like market conditions, promotional events, or errors in data collection. From scatter plot, it also helps us in decision making, like strategic insight, like based on the scatter plot. For example, if copiers are showing high sales and profits, the company might decide to focus more on promoting copiers. While, for instance, regions or segments with lower performance might need more marketing efforts or other interventions. So basically, scatter plots are very clear and effective way to present complex data relationships in a simple visual format. Like this can be very useful for presentation to stakeholders who may not have a technical background. So overall, the scatter plot uh, is a powerful tool that visualizing the relationship between sales and profit across different segments and regions. It helps in identifying trends, outliers, and patterns that can inform strategic business decisions and improve performance analysis. So by incorporating multiple variables, it provides a comprehensive view of the data, like making it easier to draw actionable insights. Next is visual number 4, which is word cloud. Word cloud is a visual representation of text data where the size of each word indicates its frequency or its importance. So basically, a word cloud gives us a visual summary because it provides a quick and easy way to understand the most common subcategories within a data set. That means the larger the word, the more frequently it appears in the data. So based on the word cloud, you can immediately see which subcategories are the most prominent or the most appear in the data. For example, binders, paper, and also accessories. Other than that, word cloud also visually appealing and can make data more engaging, helping to capture the audience attention. Even for those who are not familiar with data analysis, word clouds are intuitive and easy to interpret. So basically, if we use the word cloud, we can identify the key areas, which mean like highlight them popular items and focus areas. So basically, based on the word cloud, in the context of subcategories, the word cloud shows which items are most prevalent or significant. For example, binders and paper are shown in larger fonts, indicating they are the key products. So, for the focus areas, this can help business or the analysis to focus on the most important areas without going through extensive data manually. So it's very helpful if we use the word cloud. On top of that, uh, Based on the word cloud, we also can see the relative importance and the proportional representation. Relative importance, like the word cloud, not only shows what is important but also allows for comparison between different subcategories. Like based on the word cloud, you can easily see that binders are more prominent than tables or labels. So for the proportional representation, the varying size of words give a proportional view of the data, which is highlighting which subcategories are dominant. In short, a word cloud is a powerful tool for quickly visualizing and understanding the main elements in the dataset. It makes it easy to see at a glance which items are the most important or frequent, helping in decision making and also focus area.
Next is a GOT chart. A GOT chart visually represents data on scale much like a speedometer. Each category, furniture, office supplier, and technology, is a segment of on GOT chart, reflecting its respective profit across different categories. Starting with the furniture, it constitutes a modest 6.44% of the total profit. This indicates a relatively lower profitability. Next, office suppliers represent a substantial share, contributing 42.77% of the total profit. This category emerged as the second largest contributors, indicating a significant portion of stems from sales in office supplies. Now, technology stands out as the most profitable category, comprising 50.79% of the profit ratio. This highlights the dominance of the technology products in generating profits, overshadowing both furniture and office supplies. In summary, the profit distribution reveals the significant role of the technology in driving profitability, followed by the suppliers and furniture in descending order of contribution.
TreeMap is a data visualization that is using our hierarchical data. As you can see that each rectangles are representing some categories or any data point. In this case, we are using the profit. The size and the color of the rectangle also convey some additional information, such as the categories and also the quantity. So for this one, we are using the profit or loss. So each size of the rectangles are reflecting the value of the sales. So we can see that in this table, the largest amount of profit is from the sales of copiers at 55,000, following with phones at 44,000 and accessories 41,000. Then we can see the colors. The colors are also representing information. For example, the blue represents the profit of the sales, and whereas the orange representing loss. So we can see that the biggest loss in this sales is from sale of tables, which is at negative 17,000. So we can see that in these full pictures, the TreeMap are using the space very efficiently. It doesn't leave any space wasted, and we can see that even displaying the large amount of data in one picture. And in the compact form, we can compare each of the profit, the category of sales, and also what the loss is by using the numbers and also the colors. So we can see that even though negative is there, but we cannot visualize negative in rectangle. So we are using colors. So even though it is negative or positive, it's still going with the flow from the biggest to the smallest number. So we can see in one pictures what are the biggest loss and the largest profit in one set of data.
Hello, my name is Jessica binti Idil Adha. The bubble chart compares sales, discount, and profit across furniture, office supplies, and technology categories. Higher sales generally lead to higher profit, especially evident in the technology category, which has the highest profit point of 55,618. Discount range up to 600. But their relationship with sales and profit is not linear, suggesting that demand and cost control are crucial. Technology is the most profitable category, dominating high sales regions, while office supplies shows reasonable profitability but with wide discount variability. Furniture has few high sales points and instances of negative profit, indicating issues with discount or cost management. To boost profitability, particularly for office supplies and furniture, refining discount strategies and improving cost management is essential. This analysis highlights the importance of understanding the factor driving profitability beyond just sales and discount. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Roslina Naja. Today I will presenting the findings from the analysis using sample data from a superstore that have been provided. I will explore the significant insight derived from the sample data. The Superstore dashboard that I have been analyzed using the samples provides a comprehensive overview of key metrics, including total sales, profits, and the number of the customers. Begin with the key metrics. The dashboard shows total sales of 105,341, a profit of 12,849, and 244 customers. These figures provides a snapshot of business's performance as represented by the sample. Next is examine the sales by month. The line chart reveals fluctuations in sales throughout the years. Notice the peak in September and November and the dip in the December. These variations suggest seasonal trends and possible external influences on consumer behavior. Moving on to the sales by products, the dashboard shows that phones are the top-selling products, followed by the chairs and printers. These charts help us to understand the product's popularity and inform inventory and marketing strategies for businesses with similar profiles. Last but not least, the sales by country map highlights a geographical distributions of sales within the sample, concentrating on different regions within the United States. These maps helps to identify the high-performing areas and potential markets for expansion. In conclusion, the analysis of the Superstore dashboards from the sample data offers valuable insights that can guide strategic decisions making for businesses. It encourages us to think about how this insight could be applied to similar contexts in other businesses or contexts or sectors. That's all from me. Thank you.